Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online marketplaces, crowdfunding platforms, and fintech, specifically how money whizzes around seamlessly behind the scenes. Have you ever stopped to think about what makes transactions on these platforms tick? How does your money safely reach the seller on that online marketplace, or how do those crowdfunding campaigns ensure secure collection and distribution of funds? Well, the answer often lies in a hidden hero, a payment facilitator called lemonway. What is lemonway? Lemonway isn't your everyday payment processor like PayPal or Stripe. It caters specifically to businesses that operate online platforms where money flows between different parties. Think marketplaces like Etsy or eBay, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe, or even peer-to-peer lending services. The magic behind the money flow. So, how exactly does lemonway work its magic? Imagine a three-way street. There's the platform itself, the buyers or backers on the platform, and the sellers or beneficiaries. Lemonway acts as a trusted intermediary, ensuring smooth and secure transactions for everyone involved. 1. Secure wallets for everyone. Lemonway sets up secure electronic wallets for all the players on the platform. This eliminates the need for complex money transfers between individual accounts. Think of it as a central hub where all the funds temporarily reside until the transaction is complete. 2. Seamless transactions. When a buyer purchases something on a marketplace or backs a crowdfunding project, their money lands in their lemonway wallet. The platform itself doesn't hold onto the funds directly, minimizing risk and ensuring regulatory compliance. 3. Holding onto the funds. Here's the clever part. Lemonway holds onto the funds in what's called a secured blocked account. This means the money is separate from lemonway's own funds, offering an extra layer of protection. 4. Verification and compliance. Lemonway takes Know Your Customer, KYC, and anti-money laundering, AML, regulations very seriously. They ensure all users are verified, which helps prevent fraud and keeps the platform safe for everyone. 5. When the transaction is complete. Once the buyer receives their product or the crowdfunding campaign reaches its goal, lemonway releases the funds from the secured account. The money is then transferred to the seller's or beneficiary's lemonway wallet, from where they can withdraw it to their personal bank account. Benefits of using lemonway. Now, why would a platform choose lemonway over a regular payment processor? Here are some key advantages. Security. Secured blocked accounts and robust KYC/AML processes minimize fraud risk and ensure regulatory compliance. Flexibility. Lemonway caters specifically to the needs of online platforms with multi-party transactions. Scalability. The system can handle a high volume of transactions efficiently, making it ideal for growing platforms. Streamlined operations. Lemonway automates many of the financial processes, freeing up the platform to focus on core operations. Who is lemonway for? If you're running an online marketplace, crowdfunding platform, or any platform that involves managing third-party payments, then lemonway is definitely worth considering. It simplifies financial management, enhances security, and streamlines your overall operations. Important note. It's important to remember that lemonway is a business-to-business solution. As an individual user of an online platform, you won't directly interact with lemonway itself. However, it plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and secure transaction experience for you. So, there you have it. Lemonway, the secret ingredient that keeps the money flowing smoothly on many online platforms we use today. If you manage a platform or are simply curious about the world of online transactions, hopefully, this video has been insightful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious.